YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaBug. This is their suction side above ground pool cleaner. So we're going to kind of dive in and show you guys how to replace some of the internal parts. So stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaBug. This is their suction side above ground pool cleaner. Again, do not recommend using this in an in-ground pool, even with a small body of water, definitely because of the shoes located on the base. You guys definitely want to get something that's a little bit more beefy for that pool, something with tires, preferably. Hayward's got a huge other line of different cleaners, so you guys can check those out. Again, we got them all listed directly on our website. But for today's quick fix video, we want to show you guys how to remove the upper middle body in the AquaBug. So this is going to host all of your gear systems for the actual AquaBug. So once we actually remove this, I'll show you guys the all the gears that are located underneath it. As you guys can tell right now, everything's all over the table, kind of stripped out. In order for you guys to get to this point in the video, make sure you guys actually check out the playlist. We tore this thing apart from the outside in, so you will need to remove all those additional parts in order to actually get access to this upper middle body. So really simple. Again, I never suggest using power tools. Always use a hand tools, so then that way you guys don't take the risk of over cranking anything and breaking these plastics. So you guys can tell there's actually 4 screws here that you're looking for, all Phillips head screws. So really simple, a one tool kind of cleaner. So you're gonna go ahead and remove all 4 of those, and then the entire middle should just kind of slide out. So bear with me, I'm gonna go ahead and remove all 4 screws. Again, you will need to remove every other part that we kind of have in front of us here in order to get to this. The initial screws are always the hardest ones, so make sure you guys watch that first video just so you guys know where to find those actual first screws, because it can be a little tricky. So all right, I got all 4 out here, so I'm going to go ahead and again make sure you guys are always away from the surface of the pool. You don't want to lose all these screws in the water, so make sure you guys go away. There goes 4 of them. These are a smaller kind of set screws, so again, set everything off to the side in groups so you guys know that when you guys are putting this all back together, that you guys can follow it in a line. The screws can get pretty confusing if you guys lose them all, because some of them do look similar, even though the lengths are going to be much different, so you guys don't want to take the risk of coming up with an extra screw. So again, this entire upper middle body that they call it here is going to have what they call a bush cone gear, I believe is what this is, as well as a spindle gear. And then of course on the inside here you have the main spindle gear that your hose actually hooks up to. I lost another gear here that sits up. So if you've seen our previous video with the turbine gear, it had the white gear located underneath. So as that turbine is spinning, it's spinning this, which in turn is rotating the gears up top again, which is going to rotate this entire cone gear. So they all have to work in tandem. So if something gets stuck in one of them, obviously none of them are going to work. So you guys will want to know how to strip it down to this point, so then that way you guys can make sure all the dirt and debris is clear. So again, just want to show you guys how to remove this. So make sure you guys check out our other videos. We're going to have a ton more on all other cleaners. We're going to do a few more with the AquaBug. So make sure you guys smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and I'll see you next time.